Pinkies up. Yep, we got some Chipotle. Let's get it. Yup, you know I make that shit look gas though. Look, looking like that candy bowl though. Yup. Bro, the liquid gold, bro. Gotta get that. Mouth watering. Got this first bite right here. Let's see. I'm going with these Doritos. Oh my God, bro. Oof. Yup. That shit's gas. Let's see. No, looky, they be running out of vinaigrette lately. All right. Throw some Takis up in here too. You know we got the lettuce on side. You gotta get your greens in. You feel me? There we go. We ain't get a good cheese pull, but that shit's still looking gas. Oof. Too many fuck ups in this mukbang, bro. Got me fucked up. Alright. Want to mix up these two? Let's see. God damn, this shit won't power on. These small ass Doritos though. Bro. If this fucking little chicken don't stay. Pinkies up.